Hello and greetings from IDEA. I'd like to invite you to join us for the IDEA 32nd Annual Campus Energy Conference in New Orleans, February 26th through March 1st, 2019. This is the place where campus energy managers and sustainability directors come together with technology providers and the consulting community to compare notes, share strategies, and solve common problems. So whether you're new to the industry or a seasoned energy professional, you'll find a stimulating and collegial atmosphere that really is unique to IDEA. But don't take my word for it, our members always say it best.
I would encourage city planners to be there, hospitals, large-scale industry, pharmaceutical campuses, large internet company campuses, anyone who's got multiple buildings.
The college has reaped a lot of benefit from the connections to really world-class experts in district energy.
And we all have the challenges, and some of our challenges are quite similar. And it's good for us to get together to be able to discuss those challenges towards solutions. And I think that's one of the major reasons that we all get together here.
The level of idea sharing and mind sharing and best business practices around district energy and how to run your system is really fantastic. These people really know what they're talking about, and I think that's awesome to share that information.
So please make plans to join us in New Orleans in February. We promise you a robust technical program, networking opportunities, and a great visitor experience. We expect a sellout crowd, so register today at districtenergy.org. We'll see you in the Big Easy.